会长 and Helen Sun, and also Mary Huang. Thank you, everyone. Also, we want to welcome all the guests, all the other guests coming here, respected guests, friends and family and students. I really want to thank all the. It's a great it's a great community here, and this community really support Amanda a lot. Throughout all this year, he has lots of close friends, students who really support her in making this business into real. Really, thank you for that. Today, I just want welcome everyone here to just to feel the environment, and also after the ceremony, also peace day, and also we had a free tryout here. Just want everyone to feel comfortable, safe, and enjoy this new environment. Again, thank you.